Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add payment method to Skyscanner. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Skyscanner account. Now I'd like you to know that you can change or add your payment method or even update your payment method using the mobile application for Skyscanner. You really cannot do that using the websites or using the web application, so it has to be your mobile phone. And I'm going to show you what to do once you get to your mobile phone. So from the home page of your mobile phone, go ahead and select profile. You're going to see profile at the bottom of your home page. So that's the last icon. So click on the profile icon. And once you click on the profile icon, it's going to take you to a window where you can click on manage your account. So the next window you're going to find, go ahead and select manage your account. And once you click on manage your account, it's going to take you to another window where you're going to see a couple options, and under manage your account you're going to find your details. All right, so once you click on profile and manage your account, under manage your account you're going to find your details. Select your details, and then it takes you to a new window where you have options that include payment cards. So select payment cards, and once you select payment card, it's going to take you to another window where you have a form that you have to fill, not necessarily a form, but just enter your card details. So add your card details. So add your card details, your credit card details, debit card details, add that. And once you do that, right there in that window, you're going to see the safeguard button. Click on safeguard and your payment method is going to be saved. So that's pretty much how to do that. But in here, you really cannot change or update your payment method. Just click on that, just take you to add a traveler, your booking, price alerts, and accounts. And you really cannot add your payment method in here, but you can definitely do that using your mobile phone. All right, using these steps that I have already shown you. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.